What's up, Facebook, YouTube? I ain't feel like dealing with the tripod, so today I'm holding the camera with my hand, but that's irrelevant. What I got to say is way more important. Uh, this video is specifically for my forex traders, but even if you don't trade forex, like, you can still pick up something from this. You can still get some value and learn something from this. Let me make sure my focus. Okay, yeah, we good. Today's topic of this video is the reason why I love losing trades. Now, I know some people looking thinking like losing trades, losing money. Let me explain. Like, you guys have to understand that without resistance, there's no growth. If it was easy, everybody would just hop in and do it. It don't matter if it's forex, it don't matter if it's real estate, it don't matter if it's carpet cleaning, it don't matter what it is. If it was easy, everybody would just do it. And so what we have to realize is the more resistance that we have to go through, the more we grow and the more we progress as humans in life and whatever it is that we're doing. And so the reason why I love losing trades, the reason why I love losing money while I trade forex is because when I lose a trade, I learn so much more from the trades that I've lost than the trades that I've won. You see what I'm saying? So, like, when I lose every single trade that I lost, I was able to pick apart the market and figure out exactly what I did wrong. You see what I'm saying? I'm afraid of the trader that said he's never lost any trades. Those are the ones you got to stay away from. You see what I'm saying? If a trader says they never made any mistakes, they're not really traders, like, seriously. And that's in anything. Any field, any niche, it don't matter what it is. If you've never made any mistakes, you're not progressing. So for the traders in Forever and Profit and traders in general, like, if you're not making any mistakes, if you're not losing any money, you're not learning anything. You're not really progressing. And so you have to learn to embrace your pain, because on the other side of pain is success. On the other side of pain is reward. You can't just take the rewards. Like, we look at the leaders, for example, in Forever and Profit, we got Quillen Black, Rico, and Ryan. We see their success, but trust me, they may not talk about it, they may not post about it, but before Forever and Profit came about, before all of this even came about, I'm sure they had some rainy days. I'm sure they had some bad trades. I'm sure they had some bad weeks, some bad months. That's just what comes with the territory. But the thing is, they didn't stay there. They didn't stay there. They kept it moving. I don't care what happens. You have to keep it going. I don't care if you lose $1,000 today. Guess what? You have to keep going. It doesn't even make sense how much money I lost since I started trading. Like, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? I done lost so much money. But you know what? When I lose a trade, it lets me know I'm one trade closer to my ultimate goal, my ultimate dream. And that's what we have to learn, is long-term perspective. We have to make sure that everything we're doing today is in tune with where we want to be in 5 to 10 years. It's not about making $1,000 a day today. It's not about making $10,000 a week right now. It's about where are we going to be 5 years from now. Because if you're trading now and you're successful now, but in 5 years you fall off, everything you're doing today is in vain. You see what I'm saying? So it's like you have to make sure everything you're doing today is in line with where you want to be 5 and 10 years from now. So when you look at it like that, it's like, okay, it doesn't matter if I'm losing money today, as long as I wake up every day, as long as I study every day, as long as when I lose trades, I get back in the market, I figure out what I did wrong, I continue to trade, and I make progress every day. You know, you reap what you sow. You only get back what you put in. You see what I'm saying? So I know what keeps me going is I know I'm grinding hard every day. I'm busting my ass every day. I'm risking my little money that I'm making every day. I'm risking my last. I'm putting my savings. I'm making sacrifices. I know that I'm doing that every day because why? I know it's going to pay off. It may pay off this year. It may pay off next year. It may pay off 5 years from now. But guess what? It's going to pay off. And as long as you keep that in your mind, you will never fail. Ultimately, you will never fail at anything that you do. And those are facts. You will never fail at anything that you do as long as you have that mentality. But if you lose sight, if you lose focus, everything, if you lose your vision, if you lose your dream, everything is over. Like, I don't care. Like, dude, I've been homeless, sleeping on people's floors, couches, you know what I'm saying, bumming money off my girl, not having anything to eat. Like, it costs a lot, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this entrepreneurship thing for 10 years, dude. I've sold life insurance, carpet cleaning, candy, cutting, like lawn service, like so much stuff I've done, so much stuff I've failed at, so much stuff that, like, it's crazy. But guess what? I never gave up. Why? Because I know my day is coming, man. And it's coming sooner now than ever before, I'm telling you. So stay focused, stay hungry, and never give up, man. Byron Jackson English. I'll see y'all on the next video.